Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Bordaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragular proudly brings to you another set of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action, welcoming you to our Oktoberfest edition of Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. October 2023 track layout that yours truly made, actually designed by Don Patrick D. Paragular, of course. Yan po yung dinisign po nating track layout ngayong buwan ng October taong 2023 sa ating Oktoberfest Mania. Yan. Alright, in full display, yan nga po yung ating October 2023 track layout as we take a look at right there. Ito po ang ating starting line. Ang lane 1 ay nasa inner lane. Ayan po yung nasa inner lane ay ang lane 1. At ito naman po yung nasa outer lane, which is the lane 2 right here. In the blue lane is lane 1. The red lane is lane 2. So, from the start, right here, it's a 90 degree, no, actually that's a 135 degree left turn. And then a 45 degree right turn going to the lane changer right there. And then it's 90 degree left turn once again. And going to that small bouncing straight right there in the gray area. Dun sa dulo na yon. At mamaya-maya pag dumilim po dito, pag medyo naggabi na, ayun, makikita natin po kung ano yung magiging reaction ng ating mga auto mamaya-maya. Alright, so the gray area consisting of a small bouncing straight and a standard lane straight track. Made by yours truly, of course. Some of the cartons, pati po yung mga patalod na nalagay natin sa Dipat's Tamiya League, mismong si Dipat Aguilar naggagawa. Ako po mismo made of some karton, mga karton, illustration boards, yan. Usually illustration board or yung mga tira-tirang mga carton boxes na na spare. And then yung going to that on that straight, and then another 90 degree left turn going to another bouncing straight right there. Yung bouncing straight na yon, long straight, may dalawang receiver, isang malaki, isang mahaba, isang maikli. Yung black na yun yung maikli, and then yung mahaba, yan. And then going to the zigzag road na 45 degree right, left, then right, and then 90 degree left to close out, and there's the finish line. So that goes our October 2023 track layout for Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference on our Oktoberfest edition right there. We'll now proceed right away with our ranking phase. So ang magiging sistema natin, tournament format now will be like this. Okay, let's explain first our tournament format for October 2023 right here on DTL SMC. It's going to be like this. A single round robin consisting of 7 Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drives battling it out in a single round robin ranking phase. And then kung sino yung mangulilat, yung pinaka-bottom o yung kulilat, tanggal agad. Then quarterfinals po natin will be a knockout, yung knockout stage natin consisting of 2 quarterfinals matches. It's going to be 3 versus 6 and 4 versus 5. Yung top 2 outright semis po yan, maghihintay sa semifinals. Ang top seed kalaban ng either number 4 or number 5. Yung 3 or 6 kalaban naman ng number 2. And then yung race for third at championship race to 6. So lahat po ng ating mga karera natin dito ay unahang maka-anim. All are race to 6 format. So in ranking phase, 21 races in the ranking phase. There are no re-race, walang re-race. Kung isang isang start lang tayo. Kung magkatumbahan pareho, automatic tabla. Automatic tabla. Ganun lang po kasimple. So walang re-race po walang re-race sa ranking phase at sa tiebreaker phase in case of a tie. And sa sa knockout stage, dun lang tayo magkakaroon ng dalawang restarts. In the second and final restarts, last man standing concept is applied. And as well, in tiebreaker pace, last man standing applied automatic. Unang umembang, talo na. Ganun lang kasimple. Alright. So, and yun na yun. Yung ganun lang kasimple yung format natin. Yung distribution of points, 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, 1 3 points, 2 points, 1 point lang pala kung sakali. Ngayon naman, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point. First, second, third respectively. Yung tatapos na top 3 sa podium finishes, yun ang ano natin. So top 3 lang po yung papakita natin at the end of each race day here on DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference. Alright, so to begin with, we are now in our ranking phase tonight. Going to today's race day. It's now time for our ranking phase that will be started right away with our first matchup. It's going to be MP taking on Mirik in our first of the 21 races in our ranking phase. And for this matter, pwede po tayong mag-toss coin kung ano yung makuuna. Kung lane 1 po ba o lane 2 kung sakali. Ganon din yun pag sa last race day, kung sakaling kung sa race day pala, sa October 30, 30 ba yun? 29? 30. Tama. 2 pala ngayon. By the way pala, October 2, 2023 pala ngayon. Happy birthday today to Najmi Zandra. Yan, kay Lizelle Lopez ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Happy birthday to you today, October 2. Yan, more birthdays to come. God bless always. Kay Najmi Zandra ng V5 Legacy na si Lizelle Lopez. Alright. So, yun. Tsaka nakapartner yun ni Myrtle Sarosa dun sa ano yun Quiz Ben nung nanalo sila nung 3 years ago, July 17, 2023. Yun, nabasa yung shoutout ko. Siya yung napawaw nun, nabasa yung shoutout ko. Alright. So, before we start in our ranking phase today, to start off our Oktoberfest edition of DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference, we'll now have a toss coin. So, last time it was lane 1 first. So, lane 1 first. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung unang lane natin. Kahit di ko nasaluhin. Lane 2. There you go. Ayun, ang lumabas halaman. Therefore, ito po yung lumabas. Teka. Hindi ko na masungkit. So, ito po yung lumabas. It's a... Wait a minute. It's a cruise tail. Tail po yung lumabas. Ito yung ulo buntot po yung lumabas. Ito po yung nakapaibabaw. Therefore, lane 2 ang starting lane ng mga higher seed for Monday, for the first 4 Mondays of October, except October 30. Sa October 30, toss coin po tayo ulit kung sa mauna, lane 2 or lane 1. So, this case, in the first 4 Mondays, ay lane 2, then Wednesday, lane 1 naman. Ganun yung mangyayari gan. So, in this case, ang first matchup po natin, it's going to be MP versus Mirik. So, in this matchup, it's going to be Mirik starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. Kasi higher seed si MP kumpara kay Mirik. Yung mga seeding po natin ngayong araw, to start off our Oktoberfest edition of DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference, pinagbasehan po natin dyan ay ang kanilang final aggregate scores last month. So, mas maraming points si MP kumpara kay Mirik, kaya siya yung higher seed. Therefore, lane 2 si MP, lane 1 si Mirik. Para simulan ang ating Oktoberfest edition of DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference. Let's begin the ranking phase right away with our race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Wow! Last 2. Final endangerment. Final up. Oh my goodness, kikita na ang laban. Wow! Wow! What a way to start up our Oktoberfest edition of DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference with that blazing start from both MP and Mirik, but in the end, it's going to be MP emerging victorious over Mirik. So therefore, ang mga player natin sa ngayon ay sina McLaurin, by the way, McLaurin, Venom, Setsuna, Empey, Murray, Metalder, and Polaris will be playing out this DPAD Tamili Stock Motor Conference. For now, yung yung mga ibang mga naisali po natin last month sa SMC, unfortunately, under repair. So, yung ibang mga photo po ng inyong lingkod ay under repair. So, let's just wait for the next, for further announcements on regarding on how is it going, how will it go. Let's see at that. All right. Next, race number 2. Ups. O nga pala. Talagyan pala muna natin ibang klase yung na yun. Ibang klase nga po lang. Napasayaw ng hento, parehas. Hento by SB19. Yan, yung sarili nating boy band. One of our modern day boy band in the Philippines right now, SB19. Yan. Yan yung team song natin ngayong October 2023, Hento. Yun yung napili po. Personal pong napili ng inyong lingkod dyan. Next, Metalder versus Setsuna is our next race in our race number 2. So, yan po. Race number 2, Setsuna versus Metalder. So, in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2. Wala, ano na to? Ay, hindi. Ano ba to? Alternate starting lane? Ano pala? Tama, alternate starting lane kasi stock motor conference nga pala tayo. By the way pala, sa ano natin, bawat races sa DPAD sa Milig SMC pala, alternate starting lane. So, for that matter, nauna lang, yung tinoscoin po natin kung ano yung mauna. Ano yung race number 1, saan magsisimula? Lane 2, lane 1. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating ng Wednesday, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ganun mangyayari. So, yung odd number, lane 1, yung even number races, lane 2, parang ganun. Dito naman, lane 2 na una, odd numbers yun. Lahat ng even number na races, lane 1 na starting lane. So, in this race number 2, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 this time, and Metalder will start at lane 2. Alright, race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, hi. Hop. Okay. Good. Engine na. Last 2. Final lang. Okay, off. Setsuna emerging victorious over Metalder. Hindi umubra yung laser arm. Hindi umubra yung laser arm, dog. Ay, pwede pala. Upo muna ako. May upuan nga pala, nakalimutan ko. Setsuna 1 over Metalder. Yan. Higher seeded so far, yung mga higher seed so far, panalo. Alternate starting lane po kapag DPAD Tamili Stock Motor Conference. Pero kung regular season to, pwede po yung pwede po yung dire-diretso. Ayos natin ulit. Okay. Okay. Alright. Race number 3. Race number 3 will feature Venom taking on Polaris in our race number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Alright. Race number 3. Switch on. Battle of Blues pala ito. Ready, set, bye. Good. Uy, patay. Dito na lang. Rocking. Natulumi. Tapos natulumi. Draw game. Draw game po. Draw. So, sino ba yung unang natumba? Polaris. Ayo, tama-tama. Siya yung ano. Okay. So, si Beno, maghintay ng winner ng race number 4. Draw. First draw of October. Alright. Next. Sa ano pala, ranking phase, ang point system po natin yung pa rin, 2 points, 1 point, 0 point. 2 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and no point for a loss. Medyo nakaalog eh. Pero medyo nakaalog eh. Alright, race number 4 na po tayo. McLaren taking on Merrick. And our race number 4, and in this matchup, this time McLaren starts at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. Alright, race number 4, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Merrick ahead. Patay! Patay! Last 2. Final lap. Suwabe lang eh. Ganda na sana. McLaren, winner. Winner. Yan, McLaren Venom. Agad. So, Merrick, mag-antay siya ng matalo sa race 5. So, antayin niya si Setsu na pala. Ayun. Si Setsu na pala antayin niya. Dalawa na talo ni Merrick. McLaren won. Next, race 5. Pag ganito, basa natin. Pag ganito. Alright. Race number 5 will feature MP taking on Setsuna. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2, MP at lane 1. Kasi higher CC Setsuna. Mas mataas yung score na kumpara kay ano, MP. Alright. Race number 5. Switch on. Okay. Ready, set, bye. Oh. Draw game. Draw. Tabla. Pero sino una yung natumba? Si MP. Ay, hindi. Setso na pala. O, yung muling natumba. Yung loser. Loser na hintay ni ano, MP. Loser blood. Yan. Maganda pala umupo rito eh. Tama-tama may working table pala ako rito. Ayos to. Tabla. Setso ng MP, tabla. 3 points para kay MP so far. Alright. Next. Race number 6. So, si MP yung unang natumba. O yung antay ni MP yung manalo. Manalo or yung uling matumba naman dito sa race 6. Race number 6 will feature Polaris taking on Metalder. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1. Polaris at lane 2. Alright. Race number 6. Switch on. Okay, sorry. Ready, set, bye. Patay, go game. Natulong may si Polaris, si Metalder sumabit. Sabit din yung laser arm. Lurug. Tabla. Iwan si Polaris yung unang natumba eh. Therefore, si Metalder yung ano. Gagaban kay MP mamaya. Dito na nga lang, mahirap pala. Mahirap pala yung gano'n. Ay, Diyos ko po. Tablamanin. Ay, apo. Polaris draw. Polaris 2 points. Metalder 1 point. Next. Race number 7 will feature Venom taking on McLaurin. McLaurin versus Venom in our race number 7. And in this matchup, it's going to be wait lang. Okay. In this matchup, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 2. Lane 2, and then Venom starting at lane 1. Para mali. Ayan. Alright. Race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe naman yung si Venom. Oh my goodness. Ayun, Templam. Na-jinx. Nakate. Back-play Jader. Nakate. Pailala. Touchdown. McLaurin, winner. Na-jinx kasi. Derek. Derek. Waling natumba eh. Tama, yung waling natumba si ano nga. O yung loser. Tama. Loser yung hihintay ni ano. Ni Polaris. Sayang, ganda na sana ng performance ni Venom. Nadali lang eh. Nabati. Pero 2-0. Last minute addition lang to si ano, McLaurin actually. Last minute addition. Tama, last minute addition dun sa lineup natin for today. Alright. Pansin nyo, mas maliwanag na yung ating ano dahil naibalik ko na sa dati yung ilaw natin. Yung ilaw po na ginagamit ng inyong lingkod during D-Pats Tamiya League, naibalik na po sa dati. At saka at the same time, yung ating camera, iba ng ano, diskarte. Kasi meron na po tayong ginagamit na stand. May stand na pong ginagamit ang inyo pong lingkod. Alright. Race number 8 tayo. Race number 8, Battle of Wolf Warrior. Ayan. Merrick taking on Setsuna, the Lunar Wolf versus the 8 Guardian of Hades sa ating race number 8. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. Alright. Race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Wow. Last lane Taylor Murray. Final lap. Let's see. KO. Wow. What a way to win that race number 8 for Merrick. Talagang kinaya hanggang 6 laps na lamang. And Merrick eventually winning, eventually emerging victorious over Setsuna. Ibang klase. Ibang klase. McLaurin, Setsuna na yan. Tapos na si Merrick yan eh. McLaurin. So, first win. Unang panalo ni Merrick after a long while dito sa ating D-Pats Tamiya League. Sa wakas. Sa wakas, nakapanalo rin. Tumapos din ng 6 laps. Himala. Himala. Eka nga ni Hikoichi sa Slam Dunk eh. Isa na namang di ka panipaniwala. Biglang sabat si Sendo. Mukhang nagkamali tayo. Hindi natin dapat siya ginali. Although si Sakuragi yung pinagtungkulan din eh. Ano na, pinara-praise ko lang dito. Nirelate ko lang. Now, so Mirik, finally winning it. 2 points kay Mirik. Setsuna 3 points. Same with Enpei. Mirik, Setsuna. Ano, agree? Setsuna, talo. Nakatatlo na pala si Setsuna, no? Kanina ba lang tumabla si Setsuna? Setsuna Metal Deal, draw. Mataas na talo si Setsuna naman kay kay Empei. Kay Empei na talo eh. Tama. Draw nga pala. Draw nga ba? Sandali. Sandali. Alam ko tabla eh. Hindi. Si Setsuna nga tama, panalo. Tapos tabla kay Empei. Tabla pala kay Empei. Empei Setsuna pala, draw. Draw pala ito, draw. Yun, tama. Draw nga pala. Tawas na talo kay Merrick. Ayun. Tama. So ilan na to? Race 8. So dapat 8 ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sino pa yung isa? Polaris pala. Yung isa pa. Venom Polaris. Tapos Metal Deal. Draw din pala. Ayun. Ayos. O yan. Tama. So ilan pa lang yung nakapagtala ng panalo? Si McLaurin, 2, si Setsuna, 1, tapos si Empei, 1 rin, laban kay Setsuna. Kay Merrick pala, panalo siya kay Merrick. Tapos yung si Setsuna, tinalo si Empei naman. Ayun. Hindi, tabla pala, tapos so, si rin, hindi, si Empei Metal Deal, kakalabanin pala niya. Ayun, sa race 9. Okay. So, tama pala. Recap natin. 2-0, McLaurin. 1 loss, 1 draw, Venom. Fast split si Setsuna sa unang tatlo. Si Empei, 1 win, 1 draw. Tapos Merrick, 1 win, 2 losses. 1 loss, 1 draw, Metal Deal. 2 draws, Polaris. Yun. Okay, next, race 9. Alright, race 9 na tayo. Race number 9 na tayo. Sandali. Medyo nagulo. Tarog. Darag. Ayam. Ay, medyo bababa siguro to. Okay. Sa tingin ko, pwede na rin. Alright. Race number 9 natin, Empei versus Metal Deal sa matchup na to. And in this matchup, Empei starts at lane 2, Metal Deal at lane 1. Alright, race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Kaya magandang laban to. Okay. Keep na. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Nyek, 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 nyek. Draw game. Kaya pala kumalas eh. Ouch. Natanggalan pa tayo ng kalagut. Kaloko na. Patay. Patay tayo dyan. Patay tayo dyan. Natanggal yung call. Natanggal yung call. Diyos ko po. Naloko na. Officials timeout. Empei. Injury timeout. Injury timeout. Pansin nyo, mas maliwanag na po ngayon yung ating ano, no? Dahil nga po yan sa ano natin. Sa mas pinaigting na light source. Yan. Tsaka binalik na natin sa dati yung ano yung ano natin, yung light source. Tetapan lang natin yung ano, yung cowl para sure ball. Itetape lang po natin yung cowl ni MP para hindi po mahulog. Bigla pong nahulog, bumigay pala yung ano, bumigay yung sa ano niya, sa tail niya, doon sa rear hook. Nagka-problema sa rear hook. Aray ko po na may Rivera moment si MP. Naloko na. Pakanta na bigla, no? Okay, kesa naman maka-copyright claim tayo dahil sa mga background music, patay. Di patay ang ano natin, career natin sa YouTube. By the way, yung D-Pats Tamiya League channel sa YouTube, abangan po yan, coming soon. Basta maharap ko pong gawin, opo, i-ano natin yan. Lalagay natin yung stock motor conference. Bro game, sino ba unang natumba? Metalder, una sumabit. Okay, isa. Ay, loser pala, no? Tapos na rin si ano eh. Tapos na si Miri kay MP, yun nga una. Yan talaga. Okay. Bro, MP and Metalder draw. Dahil yung si MP natanggalan ng count. Kaya draw pa rin yan. So, Metalder with 2 draws. And 1 loss. MP. MP. Okay? Next. Polaris versus Big Spider. Hi! Hindi pala tapos na pala yung Venom ano. Venom Polaris, draw nga pala yan. Tapos na pala yan. So, susunod yung McLaren Setsuna. Sige. Isunod na natin yung McLaren Setsuna kung sakala. Nakalimutan ko yung Venom Polaris, tapos na pala, race number 3 pala yun. Okay. Race number 10 na po tayo mga kadipat between long-time rival Setsuna and McLaren battling it out once more dito sa ating D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this Oktoberfest to start off their Oktoberfest campaign. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1 and Setsuna starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final lane finger, Setsuna. Final lap. Patay. Okay. Nice, McLaren winner. Grabe yung dive ko dun. Winner. Winner, tatapat kay Polaris. Yan, nice. Pang-apat na ni Setsuna yun, sa isa na lang kay Setsuna. Setsuna with a defeat, a narrow defeat against McLaren. McLaren 3-0. Next, race number 11 tayo. Battle of DC Chassis Machines na po tayo sa ating race number 11 between Metalder and Murray. Dalawang pangbahay. Actually, isang team labas at isang team bahay ang maglaban sa ating race number 11. Nakapambahay si Murray. Yung pang team labas niya, nandun sa carbag. Nandun lang sa carbag yan sa aking laboratory. Alright. In this race number 11, so yung ginagamit niya ni Metalder, yung kanyang team labas. Yung panlaban niya talaga sa mga tournament. In this race number 11, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 And Metalder will start at lane 1. Alright. Race number 11, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Sa laser arm! Last lane Vader Merc. Panginawa. Grabe naman yung type nun. Ibang klase. Myrick, second victory on the Pats Tamiya League this October 2023. Ay, tapos na. Waiting. Waiting parehas. Waiting parehas. Tapos na ni Setsu na yung dalawa eh. Dalawa na lang yung assignment. Yung natitirang assignment ni Setsu na, ang mga natitirang assignment ni Setsu na ay si Venom at si Polaris. Venom, Polaris na lang natitira. Panalo si Merrick. Second win. Grabe. Iba mo kasi na swerte ngayon si Merrick. Metalder. Lost. So, ang mga natitirang assignment ni Metalder, mayroong McLaurin. Si Merrick naman, Venom, Polaris. Venom, Polaris din. Pares pala ni Setsu na. Same. Same sila ng mga natitirang assignment. No? Okay. Race number 12. Ayan na, MP Venom. Race number 12. Yan. Dito na yan. Yung mangyari na lang dyan, yung manalo rito, kalaban niya, hindi. Si Venom ang harap kay, hindi, si MP at saka si Merrick pala, tapos na parehas. Sige. Race number 12 na tayo. MP versus Venom in our race number 12. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. Alright. Race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Out. Two. Venom. Same. Drop. Draw game. Drop. Dragon. Dragon. Out muna siya. Out muna si MP. Wala na, bumigay na talaga yung call. Hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya ng call yung hindi na kaya ng call yung tawag dito. Hindi na kinaya ng cowl yung bilis ni MP. So, sira na talaga yung old cowl ni MP. Yung old Emperor cowl, sira na sa akin. Ay, no choice. No choice. Officials time out ulit ni MP. No choice na si MP. Kailangan nang gamitin yung yung isang cowl. Officials time out muna tayo. Wala nang gamitin yung isa pang call. Wala na tayong choice kundi gamitin yung isang call. So mag-iiba ng call si MP. Kita pa pala eh. Yan, medyo bumababa. Ano ba yun? Ano kaya yun? Basta makita lang yan. Yan. Okay. Nay. Pahingay. Yung kasi, yung paa. Unstable kasi yung paa nito eh. Okay. Okay. Yan. Alright. Ay! Ay, buhay! Sabay nagdabog. Draw game si MP tsaka si Venom. Para yung draw yun. Blue. MP Venom, draw. Draw. Venom, draw. Okay. Next. So, dalawa na lang yung assignment na natitira ni MP, si McLaurin at si Polaris na lang natitira. So, yun ngayon maglalaban sa ating race number 13. Okay. Race number 13 na tayo. McLaurin versus Polaris is the matchup in our race number 13. And in this matchup is going to be McLaurin starting at lane 2. And Polaris will start at lane 1. Alright. Race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Pagarong hit, KO. Winner. Winner. Winner, McLaurin. Winner. Yes, na Polaris. Huling natumba si MP, kaya yun ang tatapat kay McLaurin. Yung unang, yung si ano naman, unang natumba siya. So, yun yung agay. Agay. Race number 13. Kaya inagahan na po natin yung Dipas Tamilig dahil talagang mahaba ito. Talagang magiging mahabang labanan ito. 7 at a time kasi. Hit yun. Won by McLaurin. Tapos Polaris, los. Next. May tatlong assignment pa si Polaris, si Setso na, si MP at si Merrick pa yung akalapanin niya ni ni Polaris pala. Alright. Race number 14. Okay. Race number 14. May message po tayo. Courtesy of Tamiya Changi Online. Shout out. Tingnan ko po. Tingnan ko po muna yung message. Okay. Okay. We'll put that a like. Yon, nag-message sa atin yung yung paborito na isa sa mga paborito nating Tamiya shop, ang Tamiya Changi Online at The Quick Hobby Shop sa Malolos City, Bulacan. Yan, shout out po sa inyo. And thanks for watching D-Pats Tamiya League. Kasalukuyan po nagko-conduct tayo ng ating D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So hopefully nanonood po kayo ngayong gabi. Siyempre, habang nag-aantay po ng sorpresa ang inyo pong lingkod. In a few, maybe either tomorrow or Wednesday, bago tayo maglaro sa D-Pats Tamiya League on Wednesday, meron po tayong surprise na video log na gagawin. So antay lang po tayo. Antay lang po tayo sa ating ayusin lang natin yung ating paingay. Nani? Nani? Ano kaya yun? Kailangan pumantay lang dun sa starting line. Ayan, alright. Race number 14 na po tayo. Merrick taking on Venom in our race number 14. Opo, Venom, Merrick. Alright. So, in this race number 14, race number 14, it's going to be a Venom starting at lane 1 and Merrick will start at lane 2. Ito, magandang laban to. Panigurado magandang laban to. Marvel versus Power Rangers ang mangyayari sa ating race number 14. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Ako, grabe, nagwala! Ayun! Nagwala na! Rolling! Tabla! Tabla po, yung laban. Parehong umaimbang eh. Tabla na yan. Matic. Matic tabla. Yan. Nice. Ayun, naka-range na po. Okay. Once again, shoutout to Tamiya Changi Online. Nagko-conduct tayo ng live. Wait. Draw pala, no? Venom, Merrick, draw. Merrick, Venom, draw. 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 Last assignment para kay Merrick will be against Polaris. So si Polaris ang hihintay ni Merrick mamaya. Okay. Okay, check natin yung yung photo. Officials timeout. Aha. Aha. Okay. So, pasensya na sa Tamiya Changi Online sa Malolos, Bulacan. Hindi ko po kayo masagot ngayon dahil naka-live po tayo. Naka-live po kasi tayo sa ating DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So, po. Pasensya na sa bala. Meron po kasi tayong surprise na gagawin maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So, abangan po yan abangan po yan either Tuesday or Wednesday. Either tomorrow or Wednesday bago po tayo pumunta sa ating Game 2 ng ating DPATS Tamiya League SMC. Okay, race 15. Aha. Na-check na ba natin si Venom at si Mirik? Draw, no? Opo. Okay, race number 15 na po tayo. Hopefully yung Tamiya Changi Online nanonood yan. Naka-live po tayo ngayon sa ating DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Race number 15 po natin, McLaren versus MP is the matchup. And in race number 15, McLaren starts at lane 2, MP at lane 1. Alright, race number 15, switch on. Ready, set, fight! Pagabong-bang, gorong-gang-gang, nabazuka, niko, bagsi. Yung isa na tulometro game. Tabla. Yung isa na bazooka, yung isa na sigawan ng tulumi. Ay actually hindi tulumi, batumi pala, batumi. Bracken G pala yung sinigawan. Dapat palang sigaw doon, batumi! Droge. Waiting. Sa panayas, similit kay MP at McLaren. Draw game yung ating race number 15. Dapat McLaren pala yung nasigawan ng Bracken Giant pala yung nasigawan ng yung ng tulumi. Dapat palang sigaw doon, batumi! Ganun pala dapat yun. Ay, po. Dabla ang laban ni MP at ni McLaren. So, final target for McLaren will be against Metalder. MP's final target is Polaris. Okay. So, yun. Pwede natin si after yung laban ni Setsun, kay Setsun Pwede natin ilipat si Polaris dyan. Okay. Woo! sabay na ng weekly oras eh. Race number 16 na po tayo. Setsuna versus Polaris is our matchup in our race number 16. Yon. Special thanks to Tamiya Changi Online in Malolo City, Bulacan. Doon sa dalawang natin, yung All Racer at ang Dynastorm RS. So sila yung magkalaban sa ating race number 16. Pati yung Super 2 Green, kanila rin galing eh. Doon natin yun na kinuha. Yung Super 2 Alliance kasi yan eh. Alright. Race number 16, starting lane for the cars. Setsuna at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright. Race number 16, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Animal. Good. Pumreno. Paso. Okay. Ay dala. KO. KO. Setsuna was just too fast for its own good. Polaris, winner. First win this October 2023. So Setsuna, I think that's its last assignment. May isa pa. Si Venom yung last. Okay. So si Polaris, ang last assignment niya, ay may dalawa pa. Yun, yung dalawa mismo, si MP at si Merrick pala, yung last two ni Polaris. And then, ito na siya. Panalo sa panalo. Gawa na lang sa panalo. Gawa na lang sa panalo yan. Okay. Winner! Polaris winner. Oh. Red. Loss. Setsuna loss. Excuse me. Nabusog. Polaris won. Unang panalo ngayong October 2023 para kay Polaris. Alright. Race number 17 na po tayo. Venom taking on Metalder in this race number 17. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1. Alright. Race number 17. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Apay. Loren. Buti na na, nag-iwas. Tabla. Tabla po, yung laban. Last. Si Merrick, last assignment na niya si Polaris eh. Last na niyan. So, draw. Draw pala. Venom, Metalder, draw. Last assignment for Venom, Setsuna. For Metalder, McLaurin, last assignment. Four points kay Venom. 4 na tabla, 1 talo. Metalder, 3, 2. Okay. Race 18. Race 18. So, ibig sabihin, yung si Polaris, pwedeng race 21. Yan na yung race 21 natin. Pwede rin siya na yung race 21, if ever. Okay. Race number 18 tayo. Between Merrick and Polaris. Final assignment for Merrick in this ranking phase tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. It's Power Rangers versus Marvel again dito sa ating race number 18. Switch up. Ready, set, bye. Ayan ang match na match. Evenly match. O kasi Merrick ang lamang. Kaso, Grabe naman yan. Final lap. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Grabe. Grabe. What burst of speed and stability displayed right there by Merrick. Emerging victorious over Polaris. Grabe. Grabe po ito mga kadipat. Talagang ano nga, Lingayen Survivor nga itong si Merrick. Lingayen Survivor to eh. Yung nadala ko sa third heat kasi yun yung una kong inilaro kasi mga kadipat. Siya po yung unang-una ko talagang inilaro. Panalo. Panalo, tapos pagdating ng second heat siya rin naglaro. Nanalo rin. Kaya lang, nung third heat sumabit. Sumabit lang sa track ball. Wala na, hindi na nakabalik. Yun lang. At least hindi embang. Kung sumabit man sa track wall, ayos lang yun. Pero kung yung lumabas, nako. Kung natumba, nabasuka, ayos lang din yun. Kaya lang yung lumabas talaga, ayaw ko. Ayaw ko talaga yung talo yung kotse ko. Umembang palabas. Talsik palabas. Ayun ang ayaw ko. Ayaw ko talaga. Pero kung sumabit lang or nabasuka, natulumi, okay lang yun. Pwede pang pulutin yun eh. Pag talsik mo na. Pag tumalsik, italsik mo na rin. Tapon na. Sabay ganun. Just kidding. Alright, Merrick, closing out this ranking phase today. Tonight na ngayon, dahil may pasado alas 6 na po. With a victory over Polaris. So, magandang simula to para sa Oktoberfest ngayong October 2023 para rito kay Merrick. Iba klase. Wow. So, a total of ano to si Merrick? A total of 7 points. 3 wins, 1 draw, 2 losses. 1 point. 3 wins, 1 loss, 2 draws. 1 draw. 3 wins, 1 draw, 2 losses. Pala. Ayun. Okay. Paganito na po yung basa natin last 3. Paganito na po tayo. No? Paganito na. Again, shout out to Tamiya Changi Online. Hopefully, nanonood po kayo ngayon ng ating DPATS Tamiya League. Opo. Invite ko po kayo na tumangkilik sa ating DPATS Tamiya League. Sa ngayon po kasi stock motor conference lang tayo dahil nga po sa sudden incident na nangyari sa aking ama, sa aking itay. So, wala nang ibang choice ang inyo pong lingkod kundi alagaan siya despite the difficulty. We have no choice but to fight. Eka nga, no. Wala nang ibang paraan talaga kundi to pa rin yung obligasyon ng anak sa magulang. That's why hindi po nakakasali ang inyo pong lingkod. The main reason why DPAT Aguilar cannot afford to race anywhere but home. Dito lang sa bahay, unfortunately nga lang. It's because of my obligation. It's because of son's obligation to his father. Alright, ganun din yung reason bakit di makapag-asawa. Ayan. Inaantay na lang siyang ultimate crush saka ultimate love of my life si Myrtle Sarosa. Ayun Gimasan. Alright, race number 19 rather. Race 19 na po tayo. Venom taking on Setsuna. Battle of Dark Warriors na po tayo sa ating sila yung nagpasimuno ng ating, nagpainit ng ating stock motor conference. Itong sina Venom at Setsuna. Magkalaban ngayon sa ating race number 19. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. And Setsuna will start at lane 1. Alright mga ka-DPAT, let's get ready to rumble in this race number 19. Seats on! Ready, set, bye! Nagwala si Venom. Grabe naman yan. Last contender ngayon. Final lap. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Grabe. Grabe naman yung sakit seat na yun ni Venom. Ibang klase. Nag-alas pin-axe. Biglang nag-alas pin-axe yung inyong, yung Venom, ibang klase. Venom closing out the ranking phase tonight with a victory over Setsuna once again. Oh my goodness. Grabe ito. Grabe. Grabe namang bilis yan. Diyos ko po, pineapple ba yan? Eka nga ni Congressman Erwin Tulfo Diyos ko po, pineapple ba yan? Ay, naka. May. So, tala si Setsuna ulit. Nauna, grabe, nagwala yung big spider. Grabe naman yan. Grabe. My word. What a way to close out its ranking phase with a victory. So 5 points. 6 pala. 6 kay Venom. Total of 6. 4 draws and 1 win. 6 yan. Si Setsuna 3. 1 win, 1 loss, 4 1 win, 1 draw, 4 losses. Ayun. Okay. Clear. Next, last 2. McLaren versus Metalder is our penultimate race of our group stage. Group stage. Ranking phase pala. Okay. So, McLaren versus Metalder is our penultimate race in our ranking phase tonight. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2 and McLaren will start at lane 1. Buti na lang. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1 pala. Alright. The penultimate race of our ranking phase this Manic Monday evenings with Chang. Sorry. Ready, set, bye. Atay! Jogging! Ay, 2 seconds lang, no? Ready, pa. Okay. Nakabalik naman final lap. 1, 2, 3 yun 3 second rule. 3 second rule po yun mga kadipat kung sakali. Pag medyo sumabit at within 3 seconds hindi nakabalik, automatic out. McLaren winner. Okay, open Metalder. Sumabit pero nakabalik. Bibilangin yan ng 3. 1, 2, nakabalik. Before count of 3, nakabalik. So, win for McLaren. So, Metalder with a total of 3 points, tigatlong tabla at talo. Si McLaren naman, 5-1. 11 points. Top seed na yan. Matic, top seed na yan. Si Metalder naman, ilan? 3. Okay. Pero mas may panalo si Setsuna. Si Setsuna may tiebreaker. Last but not the least is our 21st race of our ranking phase tonight. Featuring MP and Polaris to close out the ranking phase this Manic Monday evening here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2 and Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright, the 21st and final race of the group ranking phase this Manic Monday evenings. Reach on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe, match na match ah. Final lap. Medyo nagtambol lang doon sa Polaris. Yari, panalo. Natulas lang doon si Polaris sayang. Uunahan na niya sana MP winner to close out DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference ranking phase this Manic Monday evening. Okay. So, ano na tayo? Confirmation na tayo ng ating mga ranking. Going to the KO stage. Opo. MP, green pala. Grabe, ang gandang laban sana eh. Kuha na lang eh. Malas. Minalas pa. Buti na lang, hindi natalo si MP. Puro tabla lang. Oo. The end of our ranking phase tonight, it's going to be McLaurin topping the list with 11 points, MP with at second with 8 points total, Mirik with total of 7 being seed number 3, fourth seed goes to Venom with 6 points total, Polaris at number 5 with 4 points, and then nagtabla sina Setsuna at Metalder sa 3 points apiece, but due to the win over the other rules, si Setsuna nanalo kontra Metalder. Therefore, Setsuna has the tiebreaker against Metalder, making it number 6. And unfortunately, itong si Metalder ang una matatanggal ngayong gabi dahil siya po yung nangulilat sa ating ranking phase ngayong gabi sa ating DPAS Tamiya Stock Motor Conference. And ayan nga po yung naging ano natin. Ito nga po yon. Okay, as we take a look at the screen. Look at this. You can screenshot if you want. I-zoom pa natin dito sa ating ano. Yan po ang naging resulta ng ating ranking phase ngayong gabi. Meron pong isang hit dyan, si Polaris. Umembang kasi si Polaris sa salubong ni McLaurin, kaya nagkaroon dyan ng hit. Yun lang po yung hit. Alright, so we are now going into our KO stage dahil wala naman pong nagtabla. So knockout stage right away na po tayo. So we are now in our knockout stage tonight. Then this will feature our first quarterfinals matchup. It's going to be the third-seeded Mirik taking on the 6th-seeded Setsuna for the right to face MP in our semifinals number 1. Yung sina McLaurin at MP being the top 2 at the end of the ranking phase tonight, sila po yung outright semis. So balik na po tayo sa dating format. Pero ang pinakaiba lang nito dahil Stock Motor Conference po tayo, alternate starting lane at the same time, race to 6 lang po all throughout. All throughout the entire race day, 6 laps all the way. 6 laps all the way po tayo. Alright, 6 laps all the way, tapos alternate starting lane. Yun lang po yung pinagkaiba natin sa ating Stock Motor Conference. Alright, in our quarterfinals number 1 between Mirik and Setsuna, Mirik will start at lane 1 and Setsuna will start at lane 2. Alright mga ka-DPAT, you're still watching DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference to start up our Oktoberfest this 2023. October 2, 2023 is the date tonight on our Manic Monday evening. And we will start the knockout stage right away with this quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Okay. Imbang na batuka. Last 2. Final lap. Oy, i-race pa more. I-race pa more. Sayang, ganda na sana. Ang ganda na sana mga kagipat. Ang ganda na sana, panalo na sana si Mirik. Nakuha na sana. Sayang. Once again, shout out Tamiya Changi Online. Opo, hopefully nanonood po kayo ngayong gabi live sa ating DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Anong oras na po ba? Anong oras na ba natin? Mga kagipat. So, full tong si Neon Sara at si hopefully mahabol natin. 6:39. Nagsimula tayo 5:20. Nasa quarters na tayo, 1 hour, no? Tama lang. Okay. Alright, first of 2 restarts right here in this quarters 1. Ready, set, Bye. Patay. Sabit pa. Last man standing. Last man standing. Alright, last man standing po tayo dahil pareho pong umembang. Sumabit si Merrick tapos si Setso na nabasuka. Nagkamali ng tumbling. Durog. Alright. Hindi ba ako mag-adjust ng down thrust. Pero yung Merrick talagang pambayaran niya. Alright, final restart. Ready, set, bye. Okay, winner. Talaga sinaw ipik. Talaga sinaw na ipik. Kung magaragurong manggurungan, gring ding 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 ding. Lago. Sila lobong pa ni Merrick, aray, parang binazuka. And unfortunately for Setsuna, Setsuna won't be able to score any aggregate point tonight. As Setsuna was eliminated by Merrick in our quarterfinals number 1. And Merrick, for the first time in a long while, entering the semifinals to face MP. So, repeat of race number 1 tonight, yung ating semifinals number 1. So, yung dalawang team labas, si Vacation ng inabot ng dalawang team labas. The round! Alright, quarterfinals number 2 na po tayo right away between Venom and Polaris. Repeat of race number 3 ng ating ranking phase ang magiging matchup sa ating quarterfinals number 2. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2. And Polaris starting at lane 1. Battle of Marvel pala ito. So, Spider-Man versus X-Factor pala mangyayari dito. So, Venom lane 2, Polaris lane 1, same starting lane, kagaya na naglaban sila kanina sa ating race number 3. Alright, let's get ready to rumble in this quarterfinals. Number 2, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Okay? Grabe naman yan. Last lane changer. Grabe, medyo nagpreno pa rin. Final lap. Let's see. KO! Wow! Ibang klase mga kalipat. Wow! What an impressive display of speed and stability. Ay talagang nag-thunder drip ala spin axe itong si Venom. Grabe. Wow! And unfortunately, the lone team labas, actually si McLaurin, isa ring team bahay pala. Yung team bahay nating si Polaris, unfortunately si Bakden, upon defeat against Venom. So Venom will return to the semifinals once again, renewing its rivalry against McLaurin. So, parang rivalry renewed ngayon itong sina McLaurin at Venom. Parang yung labanan ulit na ng mga Let's and Go villains. Yung mga kontrabida sa Baksuki na Let's and Go, sila magkalaban sa ating semis 2. Right after this semis 1 between MP and Merrick. So, repeat of race number 1 natin kung paano natin sinimulan ng ating Oktoberfest ngayong buwan. Sila naman ngayon ang repeat ng ating semis 1. So in the semifinals number 1 mga kalipat ng ating Manic Monday edition ng ating DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference Oktoberfest special. Yan, Oktoberfest of Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing, kahit nasa bahay lang. Yan. Para tayong na-lockdown dahil sa nung nagka-COVID noon lockdown talaga sa bahay, you know. Pero this time talagang ako lang yung na-lockdown. Ako lang po yung na-lockdown due to obligation. So in this semifinals matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1 and 1-2, 1-2 mangyayari dyan. Kasi yung odd number lane 2. Tapos quarters 1, lane 1. Tapos lane 2, lane 1. Tama, semis 1, lane 1. Okay, so in this semis 1, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. Lane 2 is the starting lane for Merrick. So, a traditional 2 versus 3 matchup ang mangyayari sa ating semis 1. Dragon Spirit. Umalog. Tanggalin na nga lang yun. Tanggalin na nga lang yung mga bumbilya. Diyos ko po, pineapple ba? Di ba? Ma-i-evolve niya. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our semifinals round of the KO stage tonight to be started right away with this semifinals. Number 1, switch on. Me. Ready, set, bye. Hinabol. Nako, ilunahan. Nakapreno. Ayun! Embang! Final up! Okay! Grabe naman yun. Malas ni MP, biglang bumagal, durog. And Merrick, for the first time ever on D-Pods Tamiya League this year, aabot ng finals. Actually, nag-finals na po ito dati. Nag-champion na rin siya sa D-Pods Tamiya League noong December, Season 3. D-Pods Tamiya League Season 3. Nag-champion din siya nung, I think, Game 3 or Game 4. Nung ating race day of number 3 or 4. Nung December 2022. Tingnan nyo lang po yun sa aking YouTube channel, Don Patrick D. Aguilar. Nandun po yung kabuuan ng detalye niyan. Sa Merrick, will return to the championship race after a long while. Alright. Napakatagal na panahon na rin kasi December pa siya. Halos 10 buwan na, no? After almost 10 months, papasok ulit si Merrick sa championship. Pero bilang pambahay. Kasi yung pang niya, yung pang team labas niya na nagdala sa atin sa third heat sa Lingayen, yun yung tinago ko sa car bag. Sayang kasi. Tsaka papalitan na po yun. Yan. Medyo nadulas ang inyong lingkod. Kasi yan, malalaman nyo po bakit may magbabago kay Merrick. Either tomorrow or Wednesday, abangan nyo po yung aking live video log ng aking D-Pods Tamiya League Random Vlogs. Yan, abangan nyo po yan. Opo. Again, shout out to special thanks mismo sa Tamiya Changi Online at The Quick Hobby Shop sa Malolos City, Bulacan. Opo. Kung hindi ako bumili sa kanila, imposible itong D-Pods Tamiya League. Alright. Semis 2 na po tayo. Battle of Let's End Go Villains between Venom and McLaurin. In our semis 2. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 2. And Venom will start at lane 1. Kasi po si McLaurin number 1, si Venom number 4. Traditional top 4 pala to, yung nakapasok sa ating semis round. Alright mga kadipat. O nga pala, nakalimutan ko, kailangan pala mag-ipan. Dragon's Fire. Dragon's Breath pala muna. Shout out kay Bernard Di Guzman, kay Sir Beats. Shout out sa'yo, ikaw ang nag-coin nung kayo yung nag-coin nung Dragon's Breath Alright mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble sa ating semis 2. Switch on! Tama? Ready, set, bye! Tama. Grabe naman yung galop nun. Kaso. Nako, mahabol tayo ata. Relays. Okay, relays. We race pa more. Taito. We race pa more. Buti na lang. Tama. Tama naman. Semis 2 na yan Lane 2 nga si McLaurin, tapos lane 1 si alternate starting lane po kasi. Okay? Tama lang, tama lang. Dragon Fire ulit. Talagang ano. Ganun kasi ako sa karera. Ganun yung gagawin ko pag sa karera. Pag second hit, pag single elimination, ano na, yan. Punas gulong, tapos tingnan yung down thrust, tapos ano na, Dragon's Breath. Yan yung pinakauli, yung Dragon's Breath. Sabay ganun. Kaya pala napunta tayong fourth hit eh. Sabay ganun eh. No? Alright, first of two research po tayo sa ating semis 2. Ready, set, bye. Good. Sakto. Ako, mahabol pa yata. Kaya na lang. Okay, nahabol na. Okay na, nahabol na. Nahabol na po yun. In case na gano'n ang nangyari, pag alimbawang ang mas mabagal na auto, nahabol na po ng mas mabilis, automatic winner yung mas mabilis. Automatic talo na yung, ang mas mabagal, nahabol ng mas mabilis, automatic yung mas mabagal, talo na yon. Outright winner na yun. So wala nang re-race yun. And therefore, it's going to be Venom entering the championship race after easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy win over McLaren. Nako. Kinawawa. Grabe yung mga nangyari ngayon sa ating DPAT sa Milig Stock Motor Conference to start off our Oktoberfest edition with McLaren and MP. Dalawang outright semi-finalists po ay magkalaban na lamang sa ating race for third ngayong gabi. And in this race for third between McLaren and MP, yung dalawang outright semi-finalists po sa pagtatapos ng ating ranking phase tonight, unfortunately sila yung nalaglag sa race for third. So yung mga lower seeded pa pala magkalaban sa championship. Alright, so in this race for third, it's going to be lane 1 na to, no? Lane 1, sino ba? Higher seed, McLaren. Tama. So in this race for third, McLaren starts at lane 1 and MP will start at lane 2. Okay, Dragon Spark. Nakalimutan ko. Dapat pala sumayaw muna ng hento, no? Dapat pala sumayaw muna ng hento. Dulog. Alright mga ka-DPAT, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Manic Monday evening right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference to start off our month-long Oktoberfest of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Alright, safely. Panglalap. Nag-change lane po kasi si MP, kaya kinuha na natin, pinol out na natin. Kasi lane 2 si MP. Kaso pumunta ng lane 1 din. Dapat dito siya pupunta sa lane 2. Nung nag-jump doon, napunta doon sa kabila, kinuha ko na. Pumunta sa lane 1. Therefore, it's course out for MP. And it's going to be McLaren who will emerge victorious in this race for third against MP. So, hindi makakakuha ng point si MP. Pero I think kasali pa rin siya. Tingnan natin as we develop. At the end of this, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging niya. No? Alright, so dito na natin ilalagay yung podium plate. Possibly dito na lang din. Pwede rin. Dito na lang. Pwede rin dito na lang. Itong gagamitin natin. Hi! sa wakas, narito na tayo sa ating championship race mga kadipat between Merrick and Venom. So number 3 Merrick versus number 4 Venom sa ating championship race. Ang dalawang taga-team labas. Actually, naka-team bahay lang ngayon si Merrick. At yung si Venom naman naka-team team labas. Yung talagang team labas. Legit. Alright. In this championship race mga kadipat, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane 1. Ayan. So adjust na tayo. Wala na ibang adjustment yan kasi hindi naman naka-timba lang naman. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate our festivities this Manic Monday evening to start off our Oktoberfest edition of D-Pat's Tamiya Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Racing start by Venom Grabe. Wow! Lato. Uy, sabi pa. Pong KO. Winner. That's it. And that's it. Hindi ko na nasalo. Unfortunately, hindi ko na nasalo. Pero, na-hit na rin lang. So, that's it. That's about it. That should do it. And it's going to be Venom emerging the champion for tonight's edition of D-Pat's Tamiya Stock Motor Conference to start off our Oktoberfest or month-long Oktoberfest celebration of the Mini Forward Drive Racing action right here sa DTL SMC. But not bad for Merrick at all. Not bad at all for Merrick garnering the second place finish tonight with 2 points, with its first 2 points on aggregate. Venom with first 3 on aggregate. Final results, and here are the top 3 or podium finishers for today's race day. To start off the 9-day race, 9-day races or 9-race day month of October 2023 on D-Pat's Tamiya Stock Motor Conference. On that wonderful track layout na ginawa po ng inyong lingkod, yan napansin nyo yung blue area po dun sa bandang kaliwa ng inyong screen, bouncing street po yun. Iyan pa yung gray area doon, bouncing street na naman. Kaya pansin nyo parang talon-talon yung mga auto. Meron po kasi tayong bouncing street na nilagay. Sinadya po ng inyong lingkod yan. Sinadya. Sinadya ko po talaga yan. Alright. So, Venom emerging champion for today's edition of D-Pat's Tamiya Stock Motor Conference to start off our Oktoberfest special with its first 3 points on aggregate this month of October 2023. Already crowned a champion of the month noong September for Team Labas at babalik siya sa Grand Prix come December 31. Alright, on the other end, it's Merrick. Not bad for Merrick. Kahit pa team bahay lang siya ngayon, pero nakapag second place. Naging blessing in disguise pa na maging team bahay ngayon at nakapag second place. On aggregate, 2 points on aggregate po yan and 1 point on aggregate para naman kay McLaren to start off its campaign sa ating D-Pat's Tamiya League SMC. And that will do it. Ito nga po muli ang ating mga podium finishers to culminate our festivities in our Manic Monday edition of D-Pat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this October 2, 2023. And once again, this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Padagala, signing off for now. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga tumutok o sumilip at kung sakali meron mamanunod anytime on our video log every Monday and Wednesday live at 5 p.m. onwards right here on D-Pat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected at all times from all negativities and at all costs, as always, mga kadipat. And yun po, muli po, nag-iiwan po ko ng isang magandang Lunes, malinis ng gabi sa inyo pong lahat. And to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. At muli po, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo. Taos puso, taas noo. Kahit kanino. Once again, shoutout to Tamiya Changi Online yan. Hihintayin ko po yung order niyan. Alright. So, once again, happy birthday to, one last time, happy birthday to Miss Lizel Lopez of GMA. Kay Najmi Sandra, happy birthday to you today. More birthdays to come and may God bless you always. May your dreams, may all of your wishes come true. Yan. Opo. We wish you nothing but success in life. Alright. So, muli po, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this Oktoberfest edition. For now mga kadipat, magandang gabi po sa inyong pong lahat. Syukran at tusenta.